people's gardener, Douglas, your oyster ninja. I'm here in the kitchen today, and we are gonna make some horseradish. Let's check it out. So as you can see, what we have now is a peeled horseradish fruit. So next, what I'm gonna do is chop this down so it won't be so hard on the blender, and be right back. So I'm not the best knife guy, but if I can get some more like this, then I don't think I really need this blender. I'm gonna check it out and see what I can do. Yeah, I can tell, you know, how if you haven't chopped horseradish before, the same sensation you get when you eat horseradish is the same sensation that I'm getting right now just from the eyes. So beware. All right, good people. This is what we got. And this is all with the knife, no blender, no chopper. I just went on and did this. I love horseradish. I can eat it by itself, but we're gonna see how this does. And so the next step really is just to add this with some vinegar. And I'm gonna get a cup and do that for you right now. So I got my handy dandy condiment cup. Just gonna add this here. I really gotta get me a cameraman or camera woman. If anybody wants to come and film me one of these days, you know, let me know. All right, let me just cut. Actually, I'm not just gonna keep going. Yeah, let's cut. All right, so we're back, good people. So all I really did was washed off the horseradish, rinsed it off, just for any dirt or grain that got, you know, on the cutting board. And also to grab my rice vinegar. And if you want to try this or never tried it, I like it. It's pretty good. And I'll include the link with my Amazon affiliates in the description. But I'm just going to add vinegar and then let it sit. And that's easy. So easy. Let's add it. So I like this rice vinegar. It's just a little bit stronger, more acid, I guess. And I'm just gonna add this, and I like to fill it to the top and then just, you know, push it down. Just push it down. And then, you know, you can, well, I guess usually I don't add this much, but it's all good. You can let it sit, and then you are done. You have some, whew, yeah. Actually, you know what I probably will do, the only reason why I didn't do the fine chop is because, you know, it's nighttime. I didn't want to wake anybody up. But what I'll probably do is let this sit and then just hit it with the blender in the morning. And that should unlock even more zestiness from that horseradish. So that's the video. If you have any questions, post them in the comments. And thank y'all. We are a little over 120 some subscribers now. If you want to see any more videos, let me know and we'll get them out to you. Appreciate you.